Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss objective part of Special CSS Accounting and Auditing Paper 1 of the year 2023. So let's start. Question 1 is, the primary function of accounting is to provide the information basis for action. The concept of conservatism will have the effect of understatement of assets. On December 1, 2022, Bridgestone Corporation invested Rs 50,000 in a new delivery truck. The truck is being depreciated at a monthly rate of Rs 500. During 2022, the company issued stock for Rs 80,000 and declared dividends of Rs 5,000. Its net income in 2022 was Rs 70,000. Bridgestone's ending retained earnings balance as reported in its December 31, 2022 balance sheet was 95,000. Its beginning capital stock balance on January 1, 2022 was Rs 2 lakh. Given this information, the total stockholders' equity reported in the company's balance sheet dated 31st December 2022 would be equal to 4,40,000. If you want to know the solution of question number 3, here is the solution. Bookkeeping is mainly concerned with recording of financial data relating to business transactions. Receipt and payments account is a summarized cash book for a given period. The main objective of charging depreciation is to provide funds for replacement of fixed assets. In the event of dissolution of a partnership firm, the provision for doubtful debts is transferred to realization account, which account would never appear in the after closing trial balance. Dividend account. An auditing firm, while auditing the accounts of a business firm, found that total stockholders' equity was understated and liabilities were overstated. Which of the following errors could have been the cause? Failure to record the earned portion of fees received in advance. When a business is organized as a corporation, which of the following statements is true? Stockholders do not have to pay personal income taxes on dividends received because the corporation is subject to income taxes on its earnings. Morgan Mowing Corporation was organized with authorization to issue 1 lakh shares of Rs 1 per value common stock. 40,000 shares were issued to Tom Morgan, the company's founder, at a price of Rs 5 per share. No other shares have not yet issued. Which of the following statements is true? In the balance sheet, including retained earnings of Rs 50,000, total paid in capital amount to Rs 2,50,000. In the balance sheet, the additional paid in capital account will have a Rs 1,60,000 balance, regardless of the profits earned or losses incurred since the corporation was organized. In the financial statement analysis, the most difficult of the following items to predict is whether the market price of capital stock will rise or fall over the next 2 months. During the current year, 2 transactions were recorded in the land account of Duke Industries. One involved a debit of Rs 3,20,000 to the land account. The second was Rs 2,10,000 credit to the land account. Duke's income statement for the year reported a loss on sale of land in the amount of Rs 25,000. All transactions involving the land account were cash transactions. These transactions would be shown in the statement of cash flows as Rs 1,85,000 cash provided by investing activities and Rs 3,20,000 cash distributed for investing activities. Multiple costing is a technique of using 2 or more costing methods for ascertainment of cost by the same firm. Which of the following are true regarding activity-based costing? A primary goal of using ABC is more useful allocation of manufacturing overhead to product lines. If Power Products uses process costing, which of the following are likely to be true? The products are created with repetitive processes. An unfavorable overhead volume variance indicates that actual production output was less than the normal value of output. The work in process inventory account had a beginning balance of rupees 4,200 on February 1. During February, the cost of direct materials used was rupees 29,000 and direct labor cost assigned to production totaled rupees 3,000. Manufacturing overhead was assigned to production amounted to rupees 3,600. If the cost of finished products manufactured was rupees 37,700, the balance of the work in process inventory account at the end of February would be equal to rupees 2,100. If you want to know the solution of question number 18, here is the solution. During the current year, the net sales of Ridgeway Inc. were 10% below last year's level. You should expect Ridgeway's semi-variable cost to increase in total but decrease as a percentage of net sales. Primo Pens Inc. is in the process of developing a new pen to replace its existing top-of-the-line executive model. Market research has identified the critical features the pen must have, and it is estimated that customers would be willing to pay rupees 30 for a pen with these features. Primo's production manager estimates that with existing equipment it will cost rupees 26 to produce the proposed model. The current executive model sells for rupees 24 and has a total production cost of rupees 20. A competitor sells a pen similar to the proposed model but without Primo's patented easy retract feature for rupees 28. It is estimated to cost the competitor rupees 25 to produce. If Primo seeks to earn a 22% return on sales on the new model, which of the following represents the target cost for the new pen? Rupees 23.4. If you want to know the solution of question number 20, here is the solution. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.